What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a cheap dividend stock with a 19.01% dividend growth in the past 5 years. I've been buying this stock like crazy. I'm going to explain to you why I buy it. And so far, it has a very low payout ratio. I'll go over that. And it is a Warren Buffett stock. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this dividend stock out right now. That stock is known as Ally Financial. It's sitting at 2709. In the past 5 years, at one point, it was beating the S&P, and it took a little bit of a nosedive. It has a pretty good dividend yield of 4.43%, a PE ratio of 5.38. The average volume is 8.26 million. The market cap is 8.15 billion US dollars. Its year range is 2159 to 4542. Day range is 2632 to 2719. And its previous close was 2684. So these guys are a big financial sector stock. It's a bank holding company. They originated in Delaware, and they're headquartered at Ally Detroit Center in Detroit, Michigan. So they provide a lot of big things. So car finance, online banking, direct bank, corporate lending, and vehicle insurance, and many others. So I'm going to go on their website real quick to go over these guys. The one thing I want to go over with Ally is it's one of the largest car finance companies in the United States, providing car financing and leasing for 4.5 million customers and originating 1.4 car loans annually. It is one of the largest banks in the United States by assets, and also its electronic trading platform has approximately 350,000 funded accounts. The company has sold more than 5 million vehicles, including 336,000 vehicles sold in 2022 via its smart auction online marketplace for auto auctions that was launched in 2000. So I wanted to go over that real quick. I'm going to go over a little bit more. And I'm on SEC.gov, and they have a ton of subsidiaries. So that's one thing that is really big. So right here they have, obviously, an Ally. There's Delaware, but they also have some locations in Mexico, Bermuda, Netherlands, which, again, I'm on the SEC website, Ecuador, Sweden, New Zealand, Switzerland, and Germany. They also have England, Hungary, Netherlands. See, they also have Spain as some subsidiaries. So they're kind of international as well, Canada. And there's one in China, actually, right here. GMAC SAIC Automotive Finance Company, 40% owned joint venture. So again, this is on their SEC.gov, listing their financial subsidiaries as of December 31st, 2010. So they appear to be international, which is huge, and they're generating a lot of revenue. So it makes sense why Warren Buffett is putting his money into, a company like this. He has a huge stake in these guys, and the revenue and dividend history is just beautiful. Let's check this out. And going on macrotrends.net, their annual revenue has increased. So 2016 it was $9,835, 2017 $9,866, 2018 $10,466, 2019 $11,618, 2020 you can blame the pandemic, $10,780, 2021 $10,690, and 2022 $12,199. So it did increase from 2016 to 2022. So that's one thing that also attracts me. One, the subsidiaries that they have, which I wanted to provide, their diversification, and how much revenue and popularity they have amongst the investing community, and why they're in demand. So I usually look at stocks or dividend stocks, and I say to myself, are they in demand? And if they're in demand, I'm going to buy them because people need them, or everybody needs a car getting from point A to point B. So there you have it. That's why these guys are pretty popular, and it makes sense why Warren Buffett owns these guys. And of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. Now I'm going to go over their dividend history. So starting in 2016, their dividend distribution was 8 cents. 2017, it was 12 cents. 2018, 13 cents. 15 cents. 2019, 17 cents. 2020, 19 cents. 2021, 25 cents. 2022, 30 cents. So they are stagnant at 30 cents right now. And I just want to go over their 5-year dividend growth, which is at 19.01%, and their payout ratio is 20%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. So if you bought one share, you made 120 with a 4.43% dividend yield. 1, it's considered a high yield dividend stock. And 2, of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only, disclaimer in the description. But I've been buying shares like crazy. I've recently have been buying shares with these guys. And this is what really attracts me to this dividend stock, is it's a cheap dividend stock. I would consider it a cheap dividend stock, and I'll see what you guys think in the comment section. But this is one thing I like about their diversification and diversifying my dividend portfolio with Ally. And this is what makes me buy these guys. Their increase in revenue, their dividend hikes. They have a low payout ratio. They're not doing well against the S&P. So as a dividend investor, a lot of us, or dividend investors, a lot of us, some people are different, but we like stocks that don't really do well against the S&P, but their revenue is good and their dividends hike. So an example would be Pfizer. This is why I buy Pfizer. Pfizer's in demand, just like Ally. And that's why dividend investors love dividend stocks like Ally. Now, Warren Buffett sees some serious potential in these guys, and I do as well. So this is why I invest in them, and I think there's serious potential. The one thing you can do is always study the legendary investors like Warren Buffett, see what's in their portfolio, and then you can start doing your own due diligence and research with stocks. This is what I did with Ally, and it really attracted me to buy these guys because, like I said, in the past 2 years, I've been really loading up on the financial sector stocks and real estate stocks because they're not doing well against the S&P. These guys are struggling a little bit right now to get at the level that the S&P was. So this is why I'm buying them. So I'm going to try to post a quick video for you tomorrow. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to be doing homework all day, and I'm going to try to squeeze in a leg day. That'll be good for a stress reliever. You guys take care and have a great Tuesday.